Ladies and gentlemen, Kei Kim here. Welcome to the Daily Update. Hope you guys had a good day trading today. Market is up 0.4% there on the S&P. Nasdaq up 0.7%. Semiconductor led the way, it looks like, with the 1.3% positive. However, we got Dow, Russell 2000, transport, banks, and energy not quite getting up there, along with the semiconductor and the Nasdaq today. Biotech up about 0.5%. Along with the healthcare. Home builder meters moved though, 2% positive. Utilities down, retail up 1%, emerging market pretty much flat there. Bitcoin got hit today, 8% negative. Gold is down, silver is down, miners down. These guys are down quite heavily today, but they've been making some move last couple weeks. See if they can turn things around next week or so. Dollars up a little bit, oil's up slightly, treasury bond down slightly. VIX is down slightly there. Let's stick with S&P 500 ETF. Spider, 65-minute chart here. So what we talked about on the last night's update is this falling resistance. You can see right there. And this is where we closed yesterday, right? This was the candle that we talked about yesterday. What we needed to see, if the buyers want to maximize this momentum that has been built last several trading sessions, what they needed to do was to have that move in the first 2 hours. Look at this first hour move here, just so that you will be guessing. You can see on the first hour, look at this. You see the upper wick. So it looks like first hour they had that first hour attempt to make that move. And then towards the end of that first hour, you see that upper wick, just so that you might be guessing, oh my God, we're not actually breaking above this falling resistance. Looks like we're just gonna stay below it. There is no confidence. Well, on the second hour, there's a little bit of fluctuation. You see a little lower wick here just to get you guessing for another 20, 30 minutes or whatever. And then on the second hour, we saw that follow through and we have that confirmation, and buyers have reclaimed this falling resistance. So it's okay now to get rid of this. I'm going to go ahead and do this because we now know that we got this cultivation of higher highs here, and with that bullish new move that we saw, we got higher lows. And with that establishment, what happened was bulls have established and cultivated their own short-term uptrend support, and that's that purple line after reclaiming that falling resistance. Remember we talked about resistance? Well, it's life, it's market. There's always resistance that we need to overcome and reclaim. And that's what this market has done last several trading sessions. So we got the rising uptrend support right here, right? So you can see that that's the support. And here's the second support. With today's move, that third support has been established, and with that, we got the support established, right? And not only that, we got the prior, so micro term, pivot would be that 468.70, right? So prior resistance could act as support tomorrow should there be any kind of decline early in the morning. And then again, with the rising uptrend support, let's say some kind of shenanigan happened because the market actually briefly got up, made new all-time highs, and then kind of falling back here. And that's nothing surprising. Market is just going to make you keep guessing every single day. It's not going to always go up forever. It's going to have its fluctuations. But as long as this market continues to move in this fashion with the high lows and higher highs, we're going to continue to get benefit of the doubt. But there, let's say some kind of shenanigan tomorrow, right? We break below 468.70. We break below the rising uptrend support. 467.05 is going to be that next level of support. Prior resistance here. Look at this, is it's more solid support. So resistance, support, resistance, resistance, and support. So definitely that's a stronger pivot here. 467.05 here. And keep in mind, my short-term moving average currently residing in that vicinity as well. That short-term moving average have not been retested since the buyers reclaimed that right about here, right? So very, very quickly, 468.70 micro-term support, 467.05, a little bit stronger micro short-term support, and then we got rising uptrend support in that vicinity. 466.74, that's where the short-term moving average is residing, right? But trend is up. We want to continue to give benefit of the doubt to the buyers. So check out that oscillator if we can extract any more information. So yesterday, it looked like this thing was crossing down, but you can see how it crossed right back up. And that's what we forecasted on the last night's analysis. If we do see that first 2 hours of thrust to the upside, you're gonna see this oscillator getting back up. But oscillator needs to tag the top of its channel here, that 98.37 level. We're just hanging around here. It'll be best if we go up and tag it. So that will be important to witness tomorrow. It will show a sign of a little bit of weakness. And I don't mean like, you know, in this overall trend perspective. This overall trend, we are, you know, in this, we got this momentum going. We got some strength here in the last several sessions of this trend that we have established by the buyers. What I mean is, if they want this trend, this momentum, this strength to continue, it will be imperative if bulls keep pushing and keep that oscillator get up there and tag that upper channel, the top of that channel. If we don't, we might kind of retest that short-term moving average, and we might come down here about 467, 468 or so. You know what I'm saying? Just to kind of rattle these short-term people around. I'll come back for you. We'll reassess the situation. Enjoy your evening and good luck trading tomorrow.